I can do an imitation of a man who's feeling good. I can talk a lot like someone who's not misunderstood. I can go to all the places where the happy people stay. But without you here beside me, I'm an actor on the stage. There's a drunk in every graveyard, there's a ghost in every bar. I'm drinking in the moonlight, wondering where you are. Give me just a phone call, let me know that you're okay. I see the curtain coming down for an actor on the stage. Oh, I miss you, you know I'd kiss you. I was your man. I've been through it, and I can't do it again. Well, you got your explanations that I don't understand. I once believed in magic, but now I know it's sleight of hand. The things we say just float away, they're not words on a page. You're living in a storybook, and I'm an actor on a stage.
Something's not right. trees without any shoes on, and holding my hand to spin you around, and I sing you a song, and taking a breath like taking yourself to the hospital, and I feel okay, almost the same